Hey guys, how are you? Herb Palmer Jr., Lobster Lab Media. I think I'm going to call this video a windy day on the ocean without a boat. I'm actually down here in Ocean County again, doing another paid artist gig. So I'm at I don't know what it's called, Art Guild, I guess. And they're paying me to be a model again. So you want to pay me to be a model? I'll be a model. It's not a lot of money, but it's fun. It's interesting. You know, I'm new to the South Jersey area, so I'm meeting new people, interesting people, get some video content for my stuff, and I get paid. So well, it's actually not even the ocean. It's actually the bay out here in the seaside area, but it's really, really windy. And the bays, I haven't seen it with this much high waves, like the what do you call those? The whitecaps are really kicked up. So it's way too windy to be able to talk out there. So probably what we'll do is we'll just we'll run music over it as usual. But I want you to see the visual of it. So at the end of being a artist model, we'll take a walk out through there, and I'll show you the whitecaps and what it looks like, because it's really cool. But it's just way too windy. The sound's not going to pick up. All right, so like and subscribe. I was having a hawing about doing a video about this. You know, some of the videos are good, some of them are medium, some are not good. But I really wanted to catch the visual of just the windy bay. It's a really cool visual. So we're going to do it. And once we get into editing, if it's no good, we won't release it. So please like and subscribe. We're up to, I don't know, 270 videos now on branding and marketing. If you like, please go into Instagram. We just opened an Instagram account. I think it's, what is it? Lobster _ lab _ media, I believe. I think that's what it's called. Or it might be called video branding. I'm not sure. But anyway, you'll see my lobster face on there. All right. So to be continued, but I wanted you guys to see this this visual of the windy bay, because it's really cool. So we'll run some music over it, and you get to see the visual.